Hello techie guys. Today we are going to see a similar question that will be asked at Certified Kubernetes Administrator exam. Here is the scenario that the API server has been crashed. We don't know the problem. First we need to see the logs to identify the issue and then we need to fix it. By using this command we can see the containers. Here you can see the master node containers. We are unable to find the API server container. Since there is an issue, it has been crashed. Here is the location we can find the system logs. By using the grep command, we can find the exact keyword present in the log file. Please note the line. It has been mentioned that could not process manifest file error etc kubernetes manifest kube-apiserver.ml couldn't pass as pod. ML line 4 could not find expected colon. We need to check the file. I'm going to the manifest file location. Here is in the third line. Please note that instead of colon, it has been semicolon is there. We need to edit and modify it. Please see the containers. Whether the API server container has been up or not. I think it has been down only. Now we are going to see the logs of the container. Here you can find the log mentioning that unknown flag authorization modus. I think it must become mode authorization mode. We again go to the manifest file location and find the manifest file and we can edit it. Can you see this line? Instead of mode, it has been modus was there. So we are going to edit it now and modify it. Please see the containers. Whether the API server container is up or not. I think it has been running, but please watch carefully. I think it is restarting again and again. Please watch carefully. It is the second attempt. Okay, we will go and check for the logs. Here there is a huge list and we can see the logs of a particular pod or a container. Here we can see connection error address connection dot create dial TCP 23,000. Okay, I think there is a port number which has been mentioned in the API server. Unfortunately, it was wrong. Okay, we will see the manifest file again. I don't know which master pod has been allocated with the wrong port. Oh, I think it has been matching with the etcd server 23,000. Usually, etcd server port is 2379. Instead of that, they have mentioned as 23,000. Do you know the etcd server? It is like a database for the Kubernetes cluster. Please watch the containers. I think API server has been up. We can wait for further few more minutes to see whether it has been restarting or not. I think it is not restarting. This is the end part. Please subscribe so that I will suggest more questions that will be asked in Certified Kubernetes Administrator exam. Thank you, guys.